Hi everyone, it's Dr. Julie Jack with Pure Living Nutrition. Welcome back to another recipe video. So for the Easter holiday coming up, we are going to be making a pink potato salad that is vegan and that is also salt, oil, and sugar free. So not only is this dish very pretty, but it's also easy to make and it's healthy and delicious. So this is great for any type of Easter gathering that you might be having or dinner. And it's also very, again, simple to make. Okay, you guys, so this is another shot of the pretty pink potato salad. So this is so refreshing and it's perfect for any type of Easter get-together that you might be having, and it's pretty and delicious. So please give this recipe a try. I hope that you like this one. If so, please click like down below. And if you would like to receive weekly videos on plant-based recipes that are healthy and delicious, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. So thank you guys again for watching. Have a great Easter, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!